What's up, guys? Today is the day we're installing a much needed mod for the M3. You've heard me talk about it 1,000 times, but I finally got a mid-pipe, and this is the MAD Single Midpipe. So we're gonna be taking this over to the shop at J Motorsports and give it a little boost in sound. I'm honestly so happy with how the mid-pipe turned out. It makes this car sound so much better. This is how the M3 should have come stock. I don't know why it's so quiet. Like, when you're in an M3, you want the exhaust to be kind of loud. I mean, you're in a luxury sports car, but it's so quiet. And this mid-pipe really makes you feel like you're in a way sportier car. With the intakes and the mid-pipe, this thing sounds so crazy. There's so much turbo noise, and now you can actually hear the exhaust. It's such a good pair. That's all I got for today, but let me know what you guys think of the mid-pipe, and let me know what type of content you guys want to see next. I'm hoping to get some better clips of the exhaust because this mic wasn't able to pick it up for what it really is. It's definitely louder, and it sounds way better than what I was able to get. If you guys heard it in person, you would be amazed of how much better it sounds, but it still gives you somewhat of an idea. But as always, I appreciate all your guys' support. It's really cool to see how this channel's grown, and I'm excited to see it continue to grow. And do me a solid, hit that like and subscribe. It actually does help me out a ton, especially being a small channel. So, till next time.